The word we'll be learning in this section is guzen, which you will often hear in situations where unexpected events occur or when talking about coincidences. The word guzen means an unexpected event or coincidence. It describes something that happens by chance without any prior planning or intention. This word is often used when something surprising or improbable occurs without anticipation. The first kanji means accident or chance and can also suggest a pair or companion. In words like guzo, it helps form a compound meaning an image or idol, showing a paired or representational idea. In gusu, it gives the sense of pairing that defines even numbers. The second kanji means so or thus and is used to indicate a natural state or result. In shizen, it contributes the idea of naturalness or being as it is. In potsuzen, it helps express a sudden state or abruptness. Yesterday, I bumped into a friend by chance. 昨日偶然に友達に会った。昨日偶然に友達に会った。I met him by chance. 彼と偶然のため会った。彼と偶然のため会った。I happened to find a pen. 偶然にペンを見つけました。偶然にペンを見つけました。It's a coincidence. 偶然ですね。偶然ですね。The most common synonyms of the word guzen are fui and guhatsu. Fui implies something happening suddenly or without warning, focusing more on the element of surprise. Guhatsu refers to something that occurs spontaneously or accidentally, often with a bit of unpredictability. The most common antonym of the word guzen is hitsuzen, which refers to something that is inevitable or bound to happen, emphasizing the idea of certainty and predictability. End.